Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about CapCut video editing. So in today's video, I will teach you about how to change position of videos and pictures in CapCut. And this is a very interesting and important topic, so watch it completely and let's get started. So I am opening CapCut PC software. This is very easy and handy software to use. So I want to create a view in which four different videos and one picture is present. So I am going to library and here I search for black picture. So this is the black video. So that's it. Now I want to travel videos. I want some travel videos. So I want to create a story. I show you how. So I split it and delete this. I do this procedure in my previous videos, that how to add jump cuts. So that's it. Now I want to I'm going to position and size, and here I decrease the size of the image to 25%. Okay, 25%. So in this way, the next video, so our two videos are ready, and here I write 45%. So in this way I want to add two more videos. This one and this one. So now again I am going to like 45% and place it here. So this is the little story. So let's see. This is the little bit story, like basic edit. So in this way we are position and sizing the videos. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.